Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, press Windows plus R on your keyboard and run command will open. Again, Windows plus R. Now, what you'll do in here is just type down services.msc. Okay, again, services.msc and just click on OK. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, got to find Windows Update in the list right here. So right click on it, click on Properties. Now stop it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, the startup type, set it to Disabled. Once done, hit on Apply, wait for it, and then go to the top, click on Recovery. Now where it says First Failure, you gotta wanna change it to Take no action. All right. And then once that's done, just click on Apply and OK. And after that, you're good to go. You can go ahead and restart your computer if you want to. Okay. But that's just basically it. That is how you stop automatic updates in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.